If you need versatility and affordability in your new vehicle, you need the 2015 Santa Fe Sport. With more maximum cargo space and a standard 40-20-40 split folding second row bench seat, you'll have enough room to fit all the necessities of your active lifestyle. The Santa Fe Sport offers more safety with 7 standard airbags, including a driver's side knee airbag. With more safety comes more performance. The Santa Fe Sport boasts an impressive 190 horsepower or an available 265 horsepower with the Santa Fe Sport 2.0T. And with the new hands-free liftgate, push to start, and optional BlueLink features, you'll have access to the latest automotive technology, connecting you with your vehicle and the road ahead. As a 2014 Family Car of the Year award recipient, the Santa Fe Sport is all about value. Kelley Blue Book agrees, naming it one of the 10 best SUVs under $25,000. And to top it off, it's all backed by America's best warranty, 10 years, 100,000 miles. So if you're looking for a vehicle that can keep up with your life on the go, you're looking for the 2015 Santa Fe Sport. So schedule a test drive of your very own at Tim's Hyundai today.